Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet heart purse, great for kids and treats. I used an H hook, medium worsted yarn. You can go up or down on the hook size to make it bigger or smaller. The pattern is down below, and you need to make 2 hearts and 2 handles. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start with an H hook and slip knot into the magic circle. I have links down below if this is your first time doing the magic circle. And start with a chain 3. So I'm starting with that chain and then another 2 chains to create a chain 3. And then half double crochet in the magic circle. So yarn over, insert the hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and create another double crochet, and then a chain 2, and then 3 double crochet. You will create that 3 more times for a total of 12 double crochet with chain 2s. Okay, chain 2 and then pull it closed, slip stitch into the chain 3. Slip stitch into the previous chain space. And then chain 3. And then work 2 double crochet. Double crochet 3 times into the next space, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. And then go to the next space, a chain 1, and work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. This is just a repeat. You will work this into the next space after this one. Chain one and then work 3 double crochet in the next chain space with a chain 2 and slip stitch into the chain space on the chain 3. Now you're going to work a treble crochet in the next chain space, yarn over twice, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and chain 1, and then treble crochet again. This will be for a total of 5 with a chain 1 in between. Okay, so now I'm going to slip stitch into the next stitch and then work 5 treble crochet and a chain 1 in between, just like I did on the first one. Okay, so now slip stitch into that chain space. Okay, I'm going to get started with the chain 1 and then 2 single crochet in the same space here. This is going around the heart. And then I'm going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. I am using a different color yarn here for this part because I had to redo it. And then a single crochet in the next space. And then single crochet in the next 3 spaces. And then 3 single crochet in the bottom space here. This is the bottom of the heart. And then 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And then 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. This matches the other side. And then 1 single crochet in that stitch. And then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. And then 1 single crochet in each stitch and space until you get to the center. I'm going to skip that stitch and then slip stitch in the center. And then instead of going into that space, I'm just going to go into the next stitch and work a single crochet and then a single crochet in the space next to it until I get back to the beginning. And then in that last space, I'm going to work 2 single crochet and then slip stitch, and that matches the opposite side as well. It brings out the heart a little bit more with those 2 single crochet on both sides side by side, which is 4 all together. And this is what the heart looks like. And now I'm going to do a border around it. I need to just tighten that center a little bit with that yarn. Slip stitch into your color, create 1 chain, then slip stitch into the same stitch. You can do that on the side of the heart, doesn't have to be in any particular place, but it's best to do it on the side. Then slip stitch Again, on each stitch, it's going to be done the same way for the border. Chain 1 and slip stitch in the same stitch. And just repeat that around in each stitch. Slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the same stitch, and then just repeat that all the way around. When you get to the top of the heart, just do it the same exact way, the best you can in each stitch. And then you're just going to slip stitch. And another way is you can just attach the tail through the loop to close it so there isn't a seam. And then just weave in your ends, and then you're going to sew the 2 hearts together for the bag. Take the 2 hearts together, the outside of both of the hearts where the stitches that are weaved are in the inside so you can't see it. Then on both sides, weave in your ends by taking a long strand of yarn and your yarn needle and weaving it in and out, back and forth on both sides until you get to the other side. Make sure to leave an opening. I'm just doing it halfway. You can go up farther if you want to. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a handle. I'm making a chain count of 35, 2 of them with an H hook. I'm going to sew on the handle in the center on both sides of the heart on the top, in the back. Make 2 of them and do it on the front and the other side as well. Okay, this tutorial is finished. I hope you enjoyed it. The pattern is down below. This is perfect for little goodies inside and great for kids. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.